Hey guys, it's your girl Talecia G Style here, back with another video. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about all of the 2020 trends that I want to see. These are trends that were in 2019 and 2018. I feel like they're going to make a good comeback this year. We ain't done with them. We ain't ready to give it up. We want to have it here in 2020, and I believe they're very wearable and they're going to be very fashionable and hot, especially in the spring and summer. Girl, you better be rocking these trends. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, now with my list, as usual, they are in no particular order. It's not least to favorite or favorite to least or any of that good stuff. It's just all of these trends that I've been looking at and really thinking like, what is going to be in style again in 2020? What are we going to resurrect again? So without further ado, let's get into this list, okay girl? Okay, so first on the list is Milkmaid Tops. Now with all the Milkmaid Tops, it's the top that's similar to this, but it's more square at the neck. So at the chest and neck part, so it's like a squared shape. These tops are everywhere. They're from high end to low end. They're everywhere. They're really cute. They're very feminine. They're very romanticized, and I love it. It's very, very feminine. I want to see more women being more feminine. Now, with this trend, I wouldn't recommend everyone wearing it, especially if you have wider shoulders. It can make you appear to have even wider shoulders. And as well, if you are a bigger bust, you may not find one that will fit. Last year, I tried to find one. I'm not even that big busted, but I feel like I probably got the wrong size, and girl, I was not trying to come out the change room and go and find another one. But anyways, I'm gonna try again for this year, but this top is definitely a win. And in the dresses as well, the Milkmaid style dresses, it's so cute. And then they have the puff sleeves down as well too. I love it. It's so cute. It's very feminine. Definitely get you some Milkmaid Tops, girl. So with this trend on my list, I bought one last year and I really like it. I like that it is feminine but still masculine. It's like such a nice play on like androgyny kind of, but I know that's a little bit taboo sometimes, but either way, I really like the shape of it. I like how it looks on women, and it's the colored suit. It's great to have a suit as a woman. I believe we all should have at least one, even if it's not like a colored suit where it's like red, pink, or blue or anything like that. But even one suit in your closet would be awesome to have, a great staple. But besides that, we're not talking about staples. We'll talk about that in another video. But colored suits are definitely coming back in for this season. So if you have yours from last year, girl, wear it again this year. It is a-okay to wear them. A lot of stores will have them out, and they'll have them in nice, great colors. So even pastels will look really nice, or nice brighter, colder colors. So like some cobalt blues or fuchsias, red, and all that good stuff. But I'm definitely feeling the colored suit, and I believe it has a great comeback for 2020. Now this trend, this next trend on the list, it can be a little bit controversial, but not so much. It's the sheer fabric. Like, you can do this and be very, very sexy, very feminine, very tasteful, and then you can look very nasty at the same time. You can look very cheap and very like, don't do it, girl. Don't be that girl. Don't go and wear a sheer top and then just only have nipple colors, like nipple covers, like yuck. That looks so cheap and distasteful. Only a few people can do it, and it's probably not you, so just leave it alone. Leave it alone. But you can still wear sheer tops with like a tank top underneath, or like a certain type of bra or something. I feel like sheer is coming back in style for 2020, especially in the summertime, because you can get away with more sheer stuff because it's hot outside, right? So all of those sheer dresses or coats, not coats, overcoats, that big one that Zara had last year with the polka dots that everybody was wearing, that you can wear again this summer. Tah-lee, and because those are kind of sheer too. The tah-lee trend too, that's a part of it a little bit. So those things, I believe that they're going to come back in style for 2020. So don't throw away what you had last year. Bring it back again this year, okay? Don't throw it away. Don't give it up yet. It's still cool, it's still cute, it's still chic. Okay, so this next trend is like another favorite of mine. I feel like it complements me so well. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. It is the puff sleeves. I have so many of these tops in my closet, and they're all basically the same. They all have like the low cut and then puff sleeves. Like, they are so cute. Look at it. it's just so cute. I know people would be like, oh, you look like Aladdin or something, but I don't care. They look cute on me and they complement my shape really well. Now you're gonna find puff sleeves everywhere, especially this summer and spring. You're gonna find them everywhere, so definitely I would say take a chance, especially if you have bigger arms. No one will know. No one will know, boo, because you got puff sleeves, so you can hide them, okay, until you get your arm together, okay? So definitely get you a few puff sleeves. Okay, so now with this trend, it's a little bit weird to me, but it's making a comeback and I really do, actually, it's grown on me. I never liked it it's not that I didn't like it, I just thought, why are we bringing this back right now? But it's the combat boot. A lot of designers are diving into this season, especially for the spring and summer season. And of course, fall and winter you can wear it, but I'm very shocked to see a lot of people wearing it for spring and summer, especially now that we're in that in-between season right now where it's not so much winter, it's not so much spring. Sometimes you'll have snowy days and sometimes you'll have rainy days, so a lot of people are wearing combat boots. I know Prada has that one where it has little bags on it. That one is a really popular one right now amongst bloggers and stuff like that. Zara has an imitation one, of course, but yeah, the combat boot is making a comeback. And if you have them from years ago, more than likely you can wear them now. So fashion repeats itself all the time. So there's some things that I'll give away or throw away, but then there's some things I'll keep. I know I have a few combat boots, I think, still, with hope, but you can definitely still wear them. They're definitely still trending. And it's an easy everyday shoe that you can put together. Not everybody can pull it off. If you're very feminine and very girly, maybe that wouldn't be the one for you. But if you're not so much, if you're very experimental with your style, go ahead and buy a pair. It doesn't hurt to try. Alright, so I have a bonus trend on my list. As usual, I always give you guys bonuses. I give you guys more than what you always ask for. So this trend, I like it. I've been wearing it for a few years now and I don't think it's going away. I'm glad that it's here because in the summertime, girl, it gets hot and it's very feminine, very girly. And it's not for the faint of heart, I would say that. Not everybody can pull it off and not everybody wants to. But again, if you are a wider shoulder width up top, I would not suggest wearing it because it makes you look even wider. If you do have a bigger bosom or a bigger chest, you can get away with it depending. It's totally up to you, but it's the off the shoulder. So showing more shoulder. You gotta do your shoulder lean in the summer. And when you hit those daytime parties or roof parties or barbecues, whatever you want to call it. But the off the shoulder look is so hot right now. Not the cutout ones, not so much that one, but the ones that are off the shoulders. Those ones are really nice. And as I said, a lot of these trends are very feminine, very girly, and the off the shoulder trend is definitely girly, definitely feminine, and of course it's sexy in a tasteful way, not in a cheap way. So you can do it cheap if you want to, or you can do it classy and tasteful. Okay, all right guys, there you have it. That is my trends that I would like to see in 2020. These are trends that we wore in 2019, 2018, and even before that, but I feel like they're gonna make a resurrection. They're gonna make a comeback for 2020. So feel free to buy any of these. My suggestion, maybe buy one at a time. See which one is workable for you, that can work with your closet and with your personal style. Now, if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which one is your favorite one that you can't wait to wear this spring and summer. And as well, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification down below so that you can stay up to date every week on when I upload. Now, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.